Finally, a new suit. I need to return the other one. I made sure I told the guy, I was like, you do understand, it's torn apart and has fiberglass on it.
Oh, he wants you to send it back?
Yeah. They're like, yeah, it's okay.
They're gonna reuse it.
I was like, okay.
We got our putty.
Eu não fiz para aprender. Tidings to you, for you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Officially your last day.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
This is sad. My bad, I was sanding.
Wasn't that fun?
Your last day, Mark.
Marika, you will be missed until I see you again. Until I see you again.
This is so sad. Looking back, it's really hard to understand that during all of this time, my muscles were pretty much wasting away, and I was having a really hard time just using my limbs in general. But I tried to do what I could, whether it was an hour a day or 30 minutes a day. Any sort of progress was progress. And then, like the rest of the day, I wouldn't be able to use my limbs, and I would have to take a lot of things to kind of force my body to function. I would use my hand to sort of feel the highs and lows and know where I need to sand or where I would need to fill to try to get the smoothest surface possible. I also ended up having to redo the entire wood spine part. We don't know the proper terms, but whatever. While Mark was gone, the the top popped off, and I ended up having to sand the whole thing and redo it, and then fiberglass the whole thing. I just want to show you guys how beautiful I got the wood before I destroy it. Gonna put some fiberglass on the top to protect it, some fiberglass on the edge. All over, baby. It's gonna be destroyed, but hopefully not. Let's be positive. It's gonna look great. It's gonna look great. So that is all officially fiberglassed. Isn't that crazy? I did it and it's pretty much clear. Unfortunately, some parts didn't totally wet out so you can see it. But yeah, not too bad. What a pretty girl. Isn't she? The cutest. How beautiful. Buttercupa's car seat. Yeah, man. Oh, she's so cute. What? Okay, Mark is back. His first reaction seeing Buttercup.
Okay, I'm not gonna look. حد معاه راسه؟ So what did you do?
Shut up. I hate you.
Oh my god. Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Can you touch the butt? Yeah.
That's not the butt, that's the front.
No, from Nemo.
Oh yeah.
I can't believe you're here.
You perfected that. Like, it's so much better.
I cannot believe you're
She
here.
is so much better.
Wait till I remove the blue tape and you see what the wood looks like.
Oh my, okay, now that's the part I'm worried about.
Here, I can show you in the back. Poop yourself is what's gonna happen.
I've been working out, as you can tell.
Nice.
Oh.
Actually, I do see triceps.
Oh, they are coming out?
Yeah, I do see triceps. Have you? No, not from the neck. Not from, Mark, not from the neck.
I know.
You want all the weight on the neck?
Actually gonna like put it.
Oh my god.
Alright, ready? I'm not.
No, you're not doing anything.
I know.
Nothing.
I heard it move.
I think something broke.
I mean, yeah, I know. Oh my god. Oh, but the neck is moving both, not just. When I moved this, I felt like it was gonna break.
Yeah, that table, yeah.
They're gonna kill me.
Talk about dedication.
All for Barca.
You want me to charge it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, well.
This is trash.
Oh yes, thank
Also,
you
can I
so
get
much.
my
Is that
breakfast?
poop or something?
It's actually, it tastes like it.
Oh, great.
It's
Did you want
7-Eleven food?
a wake-up call?
Yes, please.
What
At
time?
7:30.
Sure, I will be shooting BB guns through your window. You're
Do
welcome.
you want to see the screen from the front?
Oh,
No,
cool.
you gotta see it from the front.
Good night, Mark.
I'm locking, by the way, the door. I don't trust any of you.
You shouldn't. Mark's been away for a while. He lives in a town that's like 4 or 5 hours away, so he drove in Easter Day for us to do the final paint job on Buttercup, which is cute because she was dressed in white on Easter. We did one coat that night when he arrived, and then he slept in his car. The next morning we woke up and ended up doing another couple coats on it. You can see the mattress in the back there. I hauled that on the back of my truck, and that only means that the next video is gonna cover the infamous boat flip onto a mattress.